Hello, this is Mary Alganevich-Weiss with Remax Realty Group, and I'm going to review with you the tax implications when you try to sell a home that you've lived in for less than 2 years, or if you received a first-time homebuyer tax credit when you purchased it. Although you most certainly want to consult with an accountant about all of this for specifics to your situation, this will give you a good starting point of how to talk about it with them and where to start. Traditional concerns about selling a home you've owned for less than 2 years originate from a capital gains issue. Those who will turn a profit on their real estate purchases or over a certain amount when they go to sell it can qualify for full or partial exclusion from paying capital gains tax if their situation is excluded. The IRS has stated that situations that would be excluded would be military duty, death, divorce, change of job location, health concerns, or other unforeseen circumstances. So definitely consult with an accountant, or you can go to the IRS website for more information. In my opinion, in today's market, the more prevalent concern should be for those who purchased a home during the first-time homebuyer tax credit from 2008 through 2010. There are several versions of the tax credit, and each have varying implications. If you purchased a home in 2008 and claimed the maximum credit of $7,500, it shouldn't be news to you that you are repaying that credit at a rate of $500 a year in your tax return over 15 years. And the IRS website does state, as it did when you claim the credit, that if you sell the home before the full amount is repaid, you may have to pay the remainder due in your taxes. There are, of course, some exceptions to this, and they have a specific website set up for it at the IRS website. Just search for first-time homebuyer credit, and you'll see more information there. If you purchased a home in 2009 or 2010 and claimed the tax credit, you do not need to repay any of the credit as long as the property remains your home for 3 years after the purchase. So if you purchased in 2010, here we are in 2013, if you've stayed in that same property, you're fine. You can now sell your house at any time you want. If the property does not remain your home for the first 3 years, you must repay the credit. So at this point, if you purchased in 2009 or 2010, 3 years has passed by now, so it shouldn't be much of a concern, but you can find out more information at the IRS website. If you have questions about this that I can help you with or anything else, feel free to call or email me. Thanks.